They called it magic, the miracle element that would make them glow in the dark. In the 1920s, young women found the perfect job: painting watch dials with luminous paint. To keep the brush tips fine, they were told to point them between their lips. Lip dip paint. They laughed, painted their nails, and swallowed the poison. The company swore it was perfectly safe. But the executives knew the terrifying truth. They watched from behind lead-lined glass. The radium didn't just pass through them. It replaced the calcium in their bones. It was eating them alive from the inside out. Their jaws began to crumble. Their bones turned to ash. The corporation orchestrated a massive cover-up, stamping their medical records with a shameful lie: syphilis. They hoped the girls would die quietly in disgrace, but the victims dragged the company to court. Even from their deathbeds, with their bodies decaying, they fought for justice and won. Today, if you walk through their graveyard, the earth above them still ticks. Their notebooks are locked in lead vaults, still glowing, still deadly. History tried to bury them. Subscribe to unearth the truth.